Hey everyone, welcome back to Journey Auto. Today we're diving into a topic that could save your car and your wallet from a world of trouble. Ever wondered why some cars seem to last forever while others break down way too soon? Well, it's not always bad luck. Sometimes it's the little things we do or don't do that slowly kill our engines. In this video, we're uncovering 7 common mistakes that can destroy your car's engine. Some of these might seem small, but trust me, they can lead to big problems. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to avoid to keep your engine running smoothly for years to come. So let's get started. Number 1, letting the engine get low on oil. Let's start with the most obvious one, letting the engine get low on oil. Your engine oil is like the lifeblood of your car. It keeps everything running smoothly by reducing friction, cooling engine parts, and cleaning out debris. But if the oil level gets too low, it's like trying to run a marathon without water. Metal parts start grinding against each other, causing serious damage. This can lead to overheating, component failure, and even a seized engine. So make it a habit to check your oil levels regularly. It only takes a few minutes, but it can save you thousands of dollars in the long run. Number 2, not changing the oil regularly. Next up, we have not changing the oil regularly. I know it's easy to put off, especially when life gets busy. But skipping oil changes is one of the worst things you can do for your engine. Over time, engine oil breaks down due to heat, contaminants, and just plain old age. When this happens, it loses its ability to lubricate and protect your engine. Increased friction leads to wear and tear, and before you know it, you're dealing with costly repairs. So stick to your car manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals. Do you follow the recommended oil change schedule? Or do you wait until your car tells you it's time? Let me know in the comments. Number 3, letting the engine get low on coolant narrator. Serious tone. Now let's talk about letting the engine get low on coolant. Coolant is what keeps your engine from overheating. Without enough coolant, your engine can overheat, leading to serious damage like a blown head gasket or even a cracked engine block. So make sure to check your coolant levels regularly and top it off if needed. And if you notice your engine temperature gauge creeping up, pull over and let it cool down before it's too late. Have you ever had your car overheat? What did you do to fix it? Number 4, the electric radiator fan quits. Working next up, we have the electric radiator fan quitting working. The radiator fan is what keeps your engine cool when you're idling or driving at low speeds. If it stops working, your engine can overheat, especially in hot weather or heavy traffic. So if you notice your engine temperature rising or hear strange noises coming from the fan, get it checked out immediately. It's a small fix that can prevent a big problem. Have you ever had issues with your radiator fan? How did you handle it? Number 5, not changing the timing belt. All right, let's tackle not changing the timing belt. The timing belt is what keeps your engine's valves and pistons in sync. If it breaks, your engine can suffer serious damage, like bent valves or even a completely ruined engine. Most car manufacturers recommend changing the timing belt every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. It might seem like a hassle, but trust me, it's a lot cheaper than replacing your entire engine. Do you know when your timing belt was last changed? Number 6, revving the engine. Over the red line. Next, we have revving the engine over the red line. We all love a bit of speed, but constantly pushing your engine to its limits isn't doing it any favors. High RPMs generate more friction and heat, which can lead to premature wear and tear. And if you push it too far, you could throw a connecting rod, which is a costly repair. So while it's fun to hit the rev limiter every now and then, try to keep it in moderation. Your engine will last longer, and you'll save yourself some costly repairs. Number 7, mixing the wrong types of antifreeze. Finally, we have mixing the wrong types of antifreeze. Different types of antifreeze have different chemical compositions, and mixing them can cause a reaction that forms a gel-like substance. This can clog your radiator and engine's water jacket, leading to overheating and serious engine damage. So, always use the type of antifreeze recommended by your car manufacturer and never mix different types. Have you ever had issues with your car's cooling system? And there you have it. 7 common mistakes that can destroy your car's engine. By avoiding these pitfalls, you can keep your engine running smoothly and avoid costly repairs down the line. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow drivers, and subscribe for more tips to keep your car in top shape. And before you go, let me know in the comments, what's the most expensive car repair you've ever had to deal with? I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and remember, drive safe, drive smart, and take care of your ride. See you in the next video.